All right, guys, let's cook up some Jamaican steamed cabbage. So we cut up the cabbage and put it aside. In this image, you're seeing some bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, onions, and thyme, along with some garlic underneath it as well. We're gonna put all of this in the pot with some oil. Then we're gonna add our cabbage on top. We're going to add it. We're gonna then let it mix it so everything can be incorporated, and then we're gonna cover it for it to be steamed. So make sure you mix it very well for all the ingredients to mingle and be entangled. So this is how we look after being covered for like 5 minutes. We're gonna let it sit and steam for around 10 more minutes. Now we're gonna add some black pepper, some all-purpose, and some everything seasoning onto our steamed cabbage, and then we're gonna mix it generously. All right, we're gonna mix it and then cover it again to steam. Here you see me adding my thyme because I would like it to have a little bit more flavor, and I'm gonna cover it again for 5 more minutes. And there you have it, steamed cabbage as it is. So don't forget to follow us and on Instagram. We have a lot more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching.